I had several years ago, probably 8 years ago, an abscess tooth, and it was extremely painful. It was a Saturday evening, and I was beside myself. So I called Dr. Miller's emergency care. He met me up here at the practice, 10 o'clock Saturday night, to help relieve the pain. I thought that was exceptional customer service. So looking back at my situation before coming to Dr. Miller, it really wasn't related to lack of confidence. It was having years of substandard dental care. Previous to coming to Dr. Miller, which as I said was over 10 years ago, I was in a lot of pain, and the dentist at the time recommended I take ice and rub it on my hand as a way of managing the pain. And I'm not making this up. That was probably the straw that broke the camel's back and said, I need to leave. My kids and wife had already left and come to Dr. Miller, and it's been a real pleasure making that switch.